Everybody. Today we are back with some problem solutions. I had a couple of questions on my channel asking the people those having an issue with the Elasticsearch installations, where they had an issue on the JavaScript. They do download the Java, but that doesn't work for somehow. And you know, what I mean, and I had to be fair, I had that issue when I started first time, and I spent a lot of time on this. And I said in my main video as well. So if you go into the um, monitoring tool, and you will see monitoring tool playlist of my channel, and you will see the main video over there. And I did say that people do had issue with this JavaScript, and I did has as well. And this is a video I'm making um, about this problem I fixed for this Java for the Elasticsearch. Also, there is another video in the same playlist. Playlist that will be on the Filebeat. I also heard that there is an issue with the Filebeat installations and how to create and like how to direct from one machine to another machine. And there is a main video again in the monitoring tool Elasticsearch playlist. Um, anyway, let's start this, guys. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, I don't have many subscribers, so I do need your support, guys. Like it's a one-to-one, so please subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and let's start. Okay, so what I have done, I have downloaded some files from the internet, and I'll show you what those files are. First of all, if I go to the Elasticsearch website and try free, and then there is download for the Elasticsearch. Um, I downloaded the Linux one for the Elasticsearch, guys. Yeah. I put this link in the description, so you don't have to type, just click that. And you might have typed already, or you might have the downloader already, because if you're here to see this video as a problem solution, and you all might be already playing with it and it's not working, and you know what I mean. Okay, the other thing is, guys, this Java SC development kit 11 download. I know there is a version 14 out there, but trust me, I've been through many websites, and there are issue with the version 14. So let's download this. And you know that you might have to create an account. Not might have to create. You will have to create an account. It's a free account. Create your account, and come up here. I will put this link again into the description, so you don't need to worry about typing up everything, and just click on that link. It will direct you to the account creation page, and you create account or login page, and you log in, and then you come up here. When you come up here, guys, this is what you need to do. We need to download this Linux compressed 172.63 megabytes, and this is the one you need to click in. Okay, so as soon as you've done that, go into your downloads and copy both files. So this file and this file, copy that and paste into your Linux virtual machines. So this is my Linux virtual machine. Let me, here we go, that's better. Yeah, okay, let me log in. Happy with that, guys. So this is my Elasticsearch machine. As you can see over here, it says Elastic, name of this is Elastic, and I have copied both files here. So I created a folder in the home directory. My home directory is called Elastic, and in the home directory I created a folder called install with a capital I think. Look. Yes, it's with a capital I, yeah. So I called folder called install, and in the install I put both files in there. Happy with that, yeah? Alright, guys, so let's do the Java installation first, because that's what we here for. And then Elasticsearch itself is easy. We all know that. Soon this Java issue is done, don't need to bother about the Elasticsearch. But you know what, just for the demonstration purpose, just on the Elasticsearch, guys, I'm gonna extract here just on the Elasticsearch. Okay, extract here. All right, So it's extracting. As you can see, is all done. That white is filled. So yeah. So I'm just gonna leave this here. The first thing we need is Control LT to bring up the Gucci command line stuff, and then Control Shift plus plus to bring it bigger. It's good for eyes, um, and you guys can see it as well, so it's better. The other thing is, guys, I know when you doing the Elasticsearch, you don't need sudosu, but for the Java, you need sudosu, guys. Yeah. Ah, sorry. Before we do that, I can show you guys that this machine is all updated and is pinging to Google. I got connection to outside and got received all the updates and everything. Okay. Right. Let's do the sudosu. Password is my password and your password is your password, guys. Yeah. Uh, okay, so let's what we need to do. I got the little script over here, guys, which I made up for the home Java home and all those things, and I'm sure that's why you guys here. Simple as that, guys, and I totally get that because I seen many videos when I had an issue. Okay, end of the day, YouTube is a platform where if you have any issue, you go to Google or YouTube. Nowadays, that's that's the, that's the way world going to. And same with me and you as well, I'm sure. Okay, the first thing we need, guys, is making a directory. So we need to make this directory. Okay, so copy. I was gonna keep reminding you guys that in the home directory, in the home folder, the folder is install with a capital I. Okay, I don't want to mess up that one, because you know, I don't want to mess up that one. Okay, let me cross this. So, okay, right. So let's copy this first one and paste here. Here we go, and there is a directory now called user lib and jvm. Okay, the next thing is sudo the file of the folder itself, the folder we have here, this folder. So we need to tar this. Um, in simple word, we need to extract it. This is zip file. Yeah, simple, guys. Yeah. Okay, let's do this. So in the home slash elastic, yeah, slash capital I install slash that file is there. Yeah, happy with that, and we need to copy this to the user lib and gym. Okay, I'm hope you guys doing exactly same what I'm doing. Okay, copy this and then paste over here. Okay, and then click enter, and is all done. Okay, the next thing is, guys, as you can see here, we extract this and we extract into the JVM, and in the JVM the extraction is there. So it will be a, I don't know, JDE 11.00 something file in the JVM folder. So let's check that just to clarify yourself and myself. Um, Here we go. If we, oh no, yeah, if we cd and check it and ls, and there is a jdk 11.0.6 file there. Yeah, okay. What we need to do now is we happy with this, so come back from there. The next step is, guys, we need to do this. You don't need to do the fourth command because there is no any alternate. You guys might need to do it because if you are playing around with Java 14 version or Java 12, or you might have to use the alternate so that this JDK 11 is your first preference. Okay, that fourth command mean. So let's do the third command first. So let's copy this, guys. Yeah, and we're saying that number one over here anyway, but again, okay. um, and there's no what do you call it, there's no path over here which we need to worry about. Okay, copy it and then you copy it, and when you do copy, oh sorry, paste it, and when you do paste, look what it says. Update, let me highlight this. Okay, it says update alternative using user live jvm and then that file, and in that file bin java to provide user bin java in the auto mode. So they are in the auto mode now, guys. Okay, so I'm just to prove myself right. Okay, so because I have only java 11, I don't need to worry about this. But because you guys have maybe tried different version before, you might guys have to do this. But when I do this, it's gonna say is already like the only one copy there, something like that. Don't need to worry about this. So look see, it says, so I run this command here, and it says there is only one alternative in the link group java this, so nothing to configure. See, it said nothing to configure, but in your case it may say yeah, okay, go ahead, and then you have to put the selection in and just put the selection number 1 for JDK 11.006, so that should be fine. Okay guys, the next thing is we need to create a java home. For the java home we need to nano the bash rc file, copy this, also put sudo in front, and paste. Okay, happy? When you do that, you come up here, go all the way down. Okay, make some space here, right, and then go back to this file here. What you need to do, you need to change a path. So in my case is elastic, and then capital I, and then same. Okay, and same here as well, yeah guys, elastic, and then capital I, capital I. Happy? Okay, let's copy this file, right, and then paste the space you just created. Happy? I know it says red here, but trust me, don't worry about it. Okay, you can delete oh, yeah, okay, yeah, you can delete this. This is yellow stuff, don't worry about. Okay, so hope that's what we need. Yeah, okay, and that's the thing here. Happy? All right, better, yeah. Okay, now we done this. Okay, what we need to do, guys, we need to save this file, don't we? So control O, Oscar, control O, and when it come up here, enter, and when it's here, just control X to get out. Happy? Control O, enter to save, and control X to get out. Okay, the other thing is, guys, we need to do this nano etc profile. So this will give you the profile access as well. Okay, so I hope you guys can see this. Should be alright, yeah. Okay, because if you want I can this better. Yeah, that's better, yeah. Okay, um, so copy that here, the nano etc profile, and post sudo in front, so there is no what do you call it, there is no administration issue when you open the file. Okay, so click enter. So here you are in the etc profile. Make your space here, guys, again, and then go here, and you already put the new path, and then copy this. Let me bring this a bit up here so you can see it. This is what you need to copy, guys, if you want to stop the screen and type up. Do so. Copy it, and then here paste, and all good. Okay, once again Control O to save, enter, and then Control X to get out. Happy? Okay guys, so we done that. Yeah, we done that. So next thing we need to do, guys, is really tricky. Okay, we only need to do this, the top command. Okay, um, there is only Java. There is no Java C file. There's no Java WS file there. Okay, so you're just gonna do on the top command and see it will work. Definitely will work. Okay, because there is no Java C and Java S command. Okay, trust me, I'm doing this because I had this issue and I have to go from zero and start sketching this. And yeah, okay, so if you see here, guys, so install user bin Java called Java and need to go into the user live JVM and that. Okay, so we already got user live JVM here, didn't we created this user live JVM directory. Yeah, so we need to put this. So basically what is asking to update the alternate. So it will make sense, I think, if I run this file. Okay, so guys, write it down, stop the video and write it and it should be fine. Okay, so if I copy, oh sorry, paste, oh shit, come on me, not read only. If I paste this, yeah, as you can see, and I press enter, that's it. Okay, it worked. And if I, just to show you guys, just to prove myself that yeah, okay, if I do this, it's not gonna work. Okay, it's not gonna work, the second command, right? Okay, see, it says JVC not mode now. To provide this, look, what does that mean then? Look, show you. It's a update alternate, yeah, using this to provide this in auto mode. So it doesn't really actually work, does it? It doesn't know. Okay, so we are happy what we done. Okay, so what is the next thing we need to do, guys? We just need to update this now. So let's do this. So sudo apt update and apt upgrade -y. Yeah, and it should update everything. Everything will be, you know what I mean, good to go. It might take time, but I recently done it. So it shouldn't take that much time, um, and should be straight in. And I also suggest, guys, before you start playing with the Linux, and that is just a general advice. You guys might be more intelligent than me. I'm sure you guys doing this. Just to, you know, always do this updates and restart the computer before you start making any drama on this. Okay, so we done this, guys. Okay, so now if we so what we need to do, guys, we got Elasticsearch file here. Yeah, we don't need to do anything Elasticsearch, as you guys know very well. So let's, yeah, so we don't need to do anything here. Let's bring up this. Say we also need to go back to the yeah, the normal user, because root doesn't work on Elasticsearch, doesn't like it. So we are in Elasticsearch just as a user, um, and now we need to go into cd home, capital I to install, no sorry, elastic, and then capital I to install, and then elastic, yeah, enter. And I'm sure there's another folder for elastic, yeah, okay, cd elastic, and we are enter. So now if we ls, we got this bin config and all those things. Okay, so let's do this bin / elastic, and I'm sure this is a command you guys using, this is a path you're using, and press enter. It does say that all the stupid warning you guys might had, if I full screen this, and bring it smaller so you can see a bit more. It does say in the beginning, guys, if I take this to up when it started, it does say that where is that going? Oh well, going a bit down because we use this anyway. I don't know where that is. Yeah, okay, is here maybe. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Go down, go down, go down, go down. Can't see it. Oh, is here. It does say that open, whatever is version is like to remove in future, but um, they are talking about version 9, guys. Do you know what I mean? So don't worry about it. If you come down here all the way, I just want to show you, it's all working, guys. All good to go. So if I put 9200 port, so if I go here, is it 92? Yeah, it should be 92. See if I can find, is it 92, isn't it? Yeah, okay. Go. It's 92 or 93? 92 should be. If I go here and I put http / local host and then 92. I hope, yeah, okay, so here we go, guys, all working. Yeah, can I bring it up? Here we go, guys. Yeah, it's all good. All good. Yeah, so you happy? So guys, if you think this video is a add value to you, please subscribe. I don't have a subscriber, guys, so do so. If you find any mistake or if I'm talking too much, just comment down and like, dislike, whatever you guys want to do, but subscribe the channel, and I will make more solution as I go along and learning new stuff, and I will make video like this so that other people can be easy for them. Otherwise, we all know wasting time of one thing for 2 hours, 3 hours. All right, guys, thank you very much for your time. Appreciate that. Thank you. Bye.